Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys or walking you guys through the process of how I'm selling my car, that's 2011 Sienna, to Shift. I think Shift is a new company, but however, out of the three, Carvana, Carmax, they're giving me like the most value for my car. As of right now, they're giving me 11,400. Carmax is giving me 9,000, and I think Carvana is giving me about 8,400. So I'm gonna go with the higher ones. The process is a little bit different for Shift. This is from what I talked to with the advisor. So you will have to upload the title, the registration, your California ID, front and back, and the title has to be signed. And they schedule an appointment for you to come in, and they're gonna do what you call like an inspection on your vehicle. It'll probably take about 3 days, and they take all your financial information, and then from 3 to 5 days they're gonna transfer the money to your bank or to wherever you request it. And it's a little bit different from Carmax. Carmax, you make an appointment. Well, first you have to get appraised by them, and then make an appointment. You show up, they inspect the vehicle, and they cut you a check immediately. That's the same thing that happened to me with my Lexus 2004. But we're gonna wait and see how the process is with Shift. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick around with my car so you guys can see. So this is a 2011 Toyota Sienna. It's a limited XLE. Has sunroof. It has navigation. Has JBL system. It has the entertainment as well. Really nice. This one is an 8-seaters. I just got the 4 new tires. So I'm gonna walk inside and I'm gonna get checked in and get the process started. So my appointment is actually at 10 o'clock. I'm a little bit early. So as you can see here, the yellow note, it says open at 10 a.m. So okay, so it's good. Before I actually wanted them to pick up the vehicle, but I guess now they're they don't have the schedule for me, and I really need to get rid of this van. So, and I've watched like a couple of YouTube videos during the process. They do have like if you were to sell your car on the same day that you have them inspect, they will give you $200 cash on top. And however, I talked to the advisor and they told me that they stopped doing that. And I asked if they have the process where they're gonna take me back home or give me like Uber credit, and they said also they stopped doing that as well. So however, Carmax was really nice. When I sold my Lexus, they booked a Lyft ride for me to get back home. So after I'm selling with this van, I probably have to get an Uber back home. It's about 20 minutes away from home, so not bad at all. A bunch of cars here. So they're pretty much on time. They just opened up, and I guess I'm the first one here, and just waiting for someone to help me out with the service. Very nice. I guess more customers coming in right now. So the advisor actually came out and took some pictures of the vehicle, and took the odometer, the VIN number, maybe about 4 or 5 other pictures of the car around the car. And we're back in the office, and he asked for the copy of my driver's license, registrations, title, and he actually used the iPad to take pictures of it and upload it to, I guess, to their system. And he said that he's gonna go back in the back office and write up like a contract, and it'll probably take him about 10-15 minutes when it comes back, and that's when he'll send me like a link to my email so I can upload my financial stuff information. So from there, that's how they're gonna pay me. So we're gonna, in the meantime, we just have to wait. Okay, so about 15 minutes later, the guy came out, and he had me sign, I think about 3 signatures on the iPad, and he had to wait for the word, the ACH, like the final payment, how it's going to be made to me. For some reason, that email didn't go through, so he asked for an alternative email, which I provided, and it went through right away. So, and he's the first option was to log into connect to your bank account, and he suggested I didn't do that, and just go ahead and do manually enter the routing number along with the account number, which I did. And after it says congratulations, and it says to expect a payment within 3 to 5 days or 7 days, I forgot. But so the whole process took about an hour, and I spent like what, $29 to Uber back home. So far everything's good. So right now, basically all I can do is just wait until they do the inspection. If they find any things that is not correct or not the norm, then they're going to deduct it off of the price wise. Also, since I don't remember where I put the front license plate, I thought I had it under the carpet in the front, but since I didn't have that, he deducted $50 because he said he had to get that replaced. But overall process, it is smooth, but I think it's almost the same as. But I think I like the Carmax process better, but only if Carmax would have value the car a little bit better. But other than that, overall and all, the shift is pretty good. So I'm just waiting on. Hopefully the deductions is not going to be too much away from the final price. So right, as of right now, it's $11,350. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.